guys, this is Coconuteoilkannada. Welcome to Amzing and today it was really special for me and I am showing you one of the recipe. It boosts your immunity and it's called as a Rasam. Yeah, it's really nice to hear that. Let's begin guys. Before that, subscribe to our channel, like and share with your friends, family also. And even you can follow me on Instagram as Coconuteoilkannada. These are the ingredients we need for this yummy recipe. First, it's a black pepper. This is also called as a king of spices. This is really have a more and more benefit when you have this black pepper. For example, it's good for digestion. If you have a constipation problem, it's cured by a black pepper also, and good for weight loss. This is a treat for all kind of respiratory problem or a respiratory diseases also, and good for a cough and cold also. Next, let us move to the second ingredient, that is jeera. Jeera is really good for digestion, and it has a special thing. What is that means? It balance three doshas in our body. It balances three doshas in our body. It balances vata, pitta and kapha. Next, a turmeric. Turmeric is really one of the medicine product. It's good for skin and digestion problem, cough, cold and especially asthma patients. And when you suffering from a wound and all, if you use this turmeric, for that place it will be recover faster. Fourth ingredient is turmeric. It also balance three doshas in our body and good for diabetes patients and good for digestion also. A fenugreek seed. This is good for stomach problem and cough, cold and good for especially air. Next is a curry leaf. This curry leaf is constant antioxidant and good for a liver, skin and hair. The next one is a small ingredient. See, you can see the small ingredient. It's really having so much of benefits. That is garlic. This garlic constant antibacterial and it's good for a cold, cough, fever and fungal infection also. And I am telling you a measurement of this all products. This is a 2 teaspoon of pepper and the same 2 teaspoon of jeera. Then a pinch of turmeric and a lemon size of this turmeric and or a half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Then 2 to 3 leaves of curry leaves. Then 1 to 3 of garlic and 1 big size of tomato. Then a salt for a taste. That's it guys. Let's begin. Before that, if you're not a subscribe to our channel, go and subscribe and like, share with your family and friends. Let's begin. Now pour a glass of water for a vessel and put it on the stove. And a tomato also. Let it boil, complete boil. Don't do anything for that. I am pouring a glass of water for an empty bowl. I am putting a turmeric on this. Color change. The water want to completely color change. So take a pan. Into that pan, a 2 teaspoon of a black pepper. You want to fry this black pepper now. Don't burn it. Just a light warm. Give a light warm to this black pepper. See, it was really smells nice. Don't burn it. when you burn this black pepper, it doesn't give a much taste. So you can observe this, the black pepper has been moving. So when you see this movement, then you want to take off. Pour to the another plate. The same measurement, 2 teaspoon of jeera. Don't burn it, remember. So after this color has been changed, take away. Just a small amount of this fenugreek powder. For a flavor, when you add this more, it doesn't give a much taste. When you burn this, it smells and it isn't gives you a bitter taste also. These all 3 ingredients you want to make them a powder. So as you see this, the color has been changed. The turmeric want to become like this, a spongy type, a smooth. When this color has been changed, then you can use this. See? So this is a tomato boiled water you want to pour over for this. Don't waste any water and all. So this is a boiled tomato paste. So you want to pour for this. This is a powder, a jeera, a black pepper and a fenugreek seeds powder. So you want to pour to this complete. And after the important ingredient, you want to pour this water also, the turmeric water. Turmeric water. This is an important ingredient. You want to pour everything. So that's it. It want to boil completely. And even I am adding a glass of water for this. Let it be boiled complete. The bubbles want to come out from it. Let's wait for that. See how it was boiling. It want to boil like this. Add a teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of oil. Let it heat complete. Wait for the few times. Now let us add a mustard seeds. A teaspoon of mustard seeds. It want to boil complete. For this, now we want to add curry leaves, garlic, and this all good for our health. It increases immunity. A dark chili, a dry chili, just for a flavor. Let us off this. Go to this water. Complete, and now add a half teaspoon of a turmeric powder, salt for a taste. Yeah, it was done, guys. Now it's ready to eat. You can even add with the rice also, and you can even drink itself. That's it, guys. I think you love this recipe. Try at home. So why are you waiting? Go and try at home now only. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click a bell icon, share with your friends and family. You can even follow me in Instagram as Gangatha Yogin. Namaste. See you soon. Bye bye.